kind of heavy.
What is it? Doctor things? What do you have? Do you have a stethoscope in there? That's so cool. Who gave you that? I don't know.
She can do surgery.
Grammy, did you give that to her? Oh, wow.
See, there's a scalpel.
So
Better watch
cool.
out. Forceps. The food for your lamb.
You're cutting things up like nothing else, aren't you?
Please have the packages. You might want the instructions.
Here, Noah. Here's your choo-choo honey.
What do you say?
Here you go.
I'll get it on your buddy.
He loves because he does things.
Yeah, Abby, the more you pet your later.
What is that, Emma? Is that yours?
You know what, Noah? There is
that
another
Emma's?
big package. Yes, it is.
You got me a book.
No, that is from Aunt Ian and Uncle
You'll walk away. It's kind of freaky because you'll walk away.
Emma, Grace, what is that?
You're like,
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
yeah, it looks like it.
Guess who this is for?
Yeah, Emma, give me just a minute while I watch him do it and I'll open it up for you, okay?
It's not from me. It's from
Well, come here, watch over here.
Lorraine.
Oh, wow. Is this what I think it is?
I don't know. Here's the tag. It's from Aunt Lorraine.
From Aunt Lorraine. Here, let's open the bow so you can get in there, okay? There you go. Okay, hold up.
And Alex, there's another package for you.
I wonder what it is, buddy. Oh my goodness!
What is it? Oh my God!
Batman!
Whoa, Noah, that's so cool.
It's Batman's and Robin's hideout.
Whoa, buddy, is that cool?
Do you like that?
Packages from that.
Wow!
What do you?
You don't like it? Do I get to keep it?
Is that cool, buddy?
She was very.
Now, Alex,
Gotta be overwhelmed.
Alex, you got one more, buddy. Alex, look over here,
I think
buddy.
he's overwhelmed. He goes back to the ambulance.
Alex, here's the one right there.
Laura, here's another one for Alex from
Alex, you want to open it?
Aunt Lorraine.
Alex, you want to open this one?
Emma, I said I'll help you in just a minute, okay, sweetie?
That one. Wow, Emma. You got the baby bed.
Got Alex.
That's from Aunt
You
Ian
help
and
her?
Uncle Carol.
Beautiful. He's getting it. You got it. What is it?
Whoa!
Oh,
Look, guys.
it's
No,
a
it's-
surfing ship. Do you like it? Do you like it? It's yours.
Is that cool? Whoa, we're in heaven.
Guys, look, it has another movie on here. It has another Imaginext movie.
So cool. Alex, do you like it, buddy? Alex, look here. Do you like it?
Imaginext.